Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is January the 12th, 2021, and I'm out here in the old greenhouse. I'm here with some seedlings, and I thought I'd give a quick update here on what my plans are for January and what I'm going to be starting or what I already have started. So I did start some of my status. You can see it's starting to germinate here. And I am going to be starting my onion seeds. I normally start them in January, and I start some in February too, but I like to get my early start of those in January. I have a lot of how-to videos coming up for different seed starting for different plants. I am going to be starting my gazania flowers, and I'll be doing a video on those when I start those seeds. And I am waiting for more seeds to germinate so I can finish some videos off, so you can have them there and see what the seedlings look like. So let's see, we have some straw flowers here, and I do have 2 more seed orders coming in the mail. So I have, when I get those, I'll be doing some videos on those to show you what I picked out new. So I have some more straw flowers here, some straw flowers, more of the status, and we have our Russian sage here, some more straw flowers. I have the salvia blue cloud here. This is a marigold here. Let's see, some more Russian sage back here, and then I have some corpiuses here. So my corpius seeds are still germinating. Now they had a longer germination time on them. I had some that germinated early, and some of them are taking like the 30 days to germinate. So don't give up on them, because they are still coming up, and I am noticing that, so I'm telling you. And some of these are actually ready to be transplanted, so I'm going to be having some transplanting videos coming up. And my baby blue eucalyptus is ready to be transplanted. Now they tell you to transplant this as soon as it starts getting its true leaves. Some of them, this one here is on its first set of true leaves. This one here is on its second, so I'm going to be getting these transplanted out of the flat here. That video is going to be coming up. And you can see my status here. Opened the leaves up more. My battery died yesterday, so I had to come back out the next day to finish it off. And you can see they're opening up more. Now, I'm probably going to be doing some more status. I already have a crop growing where some of them are just starting to bloom, and I started these here, and I'll probably start some more in February. It kind of depends on how well these do and how much status I need. That's something that I run out of pretty quick, so I want to make sure I have enough plants to keep them going. And you can see here that the calandras, they've unfolded, and you can see what the seedling leaves look like here. Now, all of the tomato plants are out of the greenhouse as of right now. The vines were getting pretty old. They were taking up over half of the greenhouse on the one side, and I needed the room for my plants. So we took those out. They gave a whole lot of tomatoes. I have started 2 new early treat hybrids, which I'm waiting for those to germinate still. And I'm working on a video for those, and I'm going to be talking about growing tomato plants in the greenhouse and what I've learned about it. Now, my other tomato plants were in this greenhouse since 2019, and we just took them out this year. So they were in here for a long time. They gave a whole lot of tomatoes, but they were just kind of getting old, and they had a lot of dead stuff in them. And like I said, they were taking up so much room, and it was really causing an issue, like with airflow and different things. So went ahead and got rid of them and started some new off. So you can see right here my Laritus, which is also known as gay feather, did start germinating for me. I will have a video coming for how to start that from seed, and that's going to be coming shortly after this video. I was waiting for them to germinate so you can see what the seedlings look like. So that video is definitely coming. And I am going to be starting my bunny tails from seed. I do have a video already on my channel for how to start those, but I'm going to be doing a little different this time. I'm going to be starting them in probably a flat, so I'm going to come back with a video. The last time I did a video, it was using the wet paper towel method, so this time I'm going to do one using a flat, and I'll show you how to start them right like in a flat or in their containers. I already have some that are already growing. So I use a lot of bunny tails, so I'm going to be planting a lot more bunny tails. I did start some more Dusty Miller, the new look, and then these right here are the silver dust. Now the ones in the new greenhouse, they are getting, I think they have like 3 sets of leaves now, and I'm still kind of waiting for them to get that silver color in them. So this is the first time I ever grew it from seed, so it might be one of those things where it needs more light, or you know, as the days get longer or as the plants mature more, it's going to start giving more of the silver color. So I'm watching them because I've never grown them from seed before, so we'll see how it works there. So I did just get some of my seed starting mix today. I was running pretty low on it, so I got some of that, and I'm probably going to be starting some eggplants soon. I want those as a greenhouse crop. That's where they grow the best for me and give me the highest yield. So I'm probably going to try and get an early crop of those going. I'm probably going to stick with the ping tong. Haven't 100% decided yet, but we'll see. I still have time to, you know, think about it. And with the greenhouse, I get a longer growing season out of them, and I get an earlier harvest out of them. So the seedlings that I showed you here, I do have videos on my channel for how to start these from seeds, and I am going to be working on some playlists as these continue to grow. Probably when they start flowering, I'll do a playlist then, and I'll put everything in that playlist. So it's going to be a little while for the playlist, but I don't know, we'll see. I know the status has a playlist on there where I had high planted seeds and all the seedling updates. So and I do have one on there for starting onions from seeds. So I have a lot of playlists on there, and you can check those out. A lot of the update videos are on there, and you can see like how the plants grew, what I did, how I fed them. So it's useful to have that information, because you can kind of see how they grew and different things. Now I did start my winged everlastings already, and I did start the chrysanthemum golden ball seeds already. So I do have videos on my channel for how to start those from seed, and I want to get an early start on those. I use a lot of the winged everlastings, and last year was the first year that I grew the winged everlastings and the chrysanthemum golden ball, and I really like the flowers on them. They're really different and they're really unique, so I wanted to make sure that I had enough of those. Now the golden ball chrysanthemum is a perennial where I'm at in zone 5B, but I just wanted to make sure that something didn't happen over the winter time where I would have lost it. So I just went ahead and I started some more seeds. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!